Today on In the Box, we'll be unboxing the Alcatel JoyTab for kids. If you've seen the JoyTab unboxing, this is the same tablet, but they have made a kid version that comes with kid apps already pre-installed and a protective case, which I will show you guys when we open this up. That green case that you see there, that's the case that comes with the kids version of this tablet. So let's go ahead and open this box up to see what comes with it. This is definitely something I can see myself buying for a Christmas gift. It's a full Android tablet. It's just pre-designed, I guess, to have kids content built inside of it. As you can see, it's a standard Alcatel JoyTab for the most part, and the tablet itself is no different than the JoyTab. Here we have the headphone jack and the micro USB. Let me put this down and continue to unbox this. So in here we have, this is the protective case. So this case here, it's a big rubber case, so with the kickstand. So it looks like it's really designed to be thrown around. I don't see somebody breaking this tablet with this big case on here. I wouldn't carry it as an adult, but I can see the use of it for children. Here we have the SIM card. As you can see, the SIM card portion is already removed, so it looks like T-Mobile already places the SIM cards inside of this tablet. Here we have the welcome guide. It looks a little different than the standard one, a little bit more color with the start guide. And you have all the warranty information and the terms and conditions. This is pretty standard with any device that you buy nowadays. These books come inside of the boxes. Now we have the charging base, same as the JoyTab, standard USB. Let me open this up so you guys can have a closer look. I did struggle with the last one. Hopefully this one opens a lot easier. Hold on one second. There you go, got it open. So it's a standard USB base. One part goes into the wall and the cable goes into the other side of it. Has the Alcatel logo put right on the front of it. And here we have the micro USB cable. So it goes from micro USB to standard USB. This can actually be used outside of the charging base. You can actually plug this tablet into your computer or any other device that takes that standard USB connection. As you can see here, that's a micro USB connection that goes into the tablet to charge it or transfer information, however you're using it at the time. So that's pretty much what comes with the JoyTab. Only difference you'll see here is the case, and you'll also see the design on the book is a little different. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.